Have I got one for you today? Let's talk about heart words. Do you know what those are? Heart words, trick words, red words, sight words, whatever your child's teacher calls them. They're all kind of the same idea. They are words that don't follow the normal sound rules. So they have like a trick or a part that you have to memorize with your heart in it. So this word here is called, you know what it is. It's both. But when a child's learning to read, they look at it, it looks like that O is closed in, and they learn that a closed syllable makes the ah sound. So to them, it looks like ba, but because the O is making the O sound and it's not following any of the rules about why it would make the O sound, we mark the O with a heart underneath because that's the part that's like the tricky part that we need to remember. So in they, you have the word they, you hear the A. The EY is making the AY sound. So we underline that and we put a heart underneath to mark it so that we know that that's the tricky part. Now, in these words, they're not following the rules. In a word like people, the O is here and it's a trick to them because you hear people, but you don't hear the O. But the O is here because of the root word it comes from populace or population. So the O is there because it's connected to those words. So sometimes the tricky part has to do with like root words that the children don't quite understand yet. So that's a quick little lesson on heart words. So if you see words come home with your kids that are marked with little heart parts, it's because that part of the word doesn't make the right sound. I hope that helps because sometimes it's just not the way we learned it.